Hi, I'm Corinne. I knit and crochet, and today we're going to be making the autumn ear warmer. This is a super easy pattern. You just need to know how to half double crochet and half double crochet in the back loop, and then you'll need to be able to stitch it up. What you'll be needing is a 6.5mm hook, some super bulky yarn. I'm using Bernat Fleece. Bernat Fluffy would also be very cozy, and Woolies Thick and Quick could totally work. For gauge, you can find that in the description, and if you want to see the pattern written out, you can check out my blog. You can get the ad-free PDF over on Etsy or Ravelry. I'll put all the links below. Thank you so much for being here as I continue my challenge to post every Friday through Halloween. And so next week will be the last one. I've only skipped 1 week, and that's because I was traveling. And next week we'll be making the pumpkin, which is a black and white checkered pumpkin. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. So if you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, let's get started. We're going to start with 12 chains. Your slip knot and chain 12 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we're going to turn it so we're looking at the back bumps, and if you like to just crochet into the side of the stitches, that's fine, but I prefer doing the back bumps because it'll make it easier when we're seaming it together. You're going to start in the second stitch from the hook, and you're going to just half double crochet across, and you will end up with 11 stitches. We've made it to the last stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You're going to turn your work and then chain 1. And then for row 2, again, you're going to half double crochet across. I've made it to the end of row 2, and now we're going to again turn, chain 1. And row 3 is another half double crochet row. At the end of row 3, turn your work, chain 1. And this is where we're going to do something a little different. We're going to half double crochet in the back loop. So you turn it and you can see the 2 loops that you normally go through, the front loop and the back loop. Instead of going through that front loop and back loop, we're only going to go through that back one. So we're going to go into that first stitch, half double crochet into that back loop, and all the way across. We've made it through the 4 rows. So now what you're going to do is you're going to repeat row 1 through 4 9 times. After that 9th time, you're going to repeat row 1 through 3, so just 3 half double crochet rows. We'll meet back here to finish up the ear warmer. Also, if you're wanting to change colors, you're going to want to change color on the half double crochet row. So we'll go back. I'll pull out that half double crochet row just to show you. So I'm pulling out that last stitch of row 3. I'm going to start the half double crochet stitch. I'm yarning over, inserting into the stitch, pull up a loop, so we have 3 loops on the hook. This is where you're going to take your second color of yarn. You take the new yarn and pull it through the 3 loops, turn your work, and then you would do the chain 1, half double crochet into the back loop, and it just looks really nice with that texture, changing colors on a half double crochet in the back loop row. If you like the ear warmer I did, I repeated the 4 rows 8 times and then did the 9th repeat with a new color as well as the last 3 rows. So there you can see how it adds that nice texture. And then here's the one that I was wearing. Make it how you would like, and then we'll meet back here to seam it all up. All right, now to finish the ear warmer. I've completed all the rows I need to, so you want the right side to be on the inside. And you're going to bring the 2 ends together. So the right side's on the inside, the wrong side is facing. I have my working side behind the beginning edge right here, and we're just going to slip stitch across. You could also take a tapestry needle and just weave around doing a whip stitch. That is up to you, but I am going to go in to the back loop of the cast or the chain edge and the front loop of the working edge, and then just slip stitch those together. And then continue to the next one, going into the back loop of the front loop of the back, slip stitch, and continue across. And now you're going to cut a decent sized tail, I don't know, maybe about 6 to 8 inches, and finish that off. Now you will be needing a tapestry needle. I'm going to flip it around so that longer tail is towards me. I'm going to thread my tapestry needle, and actually we're going to flip it right side out so you can see. There's the seam with the slip stitch. You're going to take your needle that's threaded and you're just going to start weaving in and out of that center line. Now both tails are at the same side, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull the tail to cinch it. So I've pulled it and cinched it, and now I'm just going to tie the 2 tails together. If you want it more cinched, you can. Another way, you could wrap yarn around it to make the middle more visible, but I like it like this. So all I would do here, flip it inside out and start to weave in the ends. And I need to weave in the ends for my color change, but you get the idea. There's the ear warmer. You've completed it. Great job. Hopefully it was nice and quick for you, and if not, the second time will be a lot faster. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to make a pumpkin.